This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, January 14th. Stock index futures higher, even though we did have the jobless claims report coming in much worse than expected, or much higher number at 965,000. However, traders appear to be focusing more on the prospects of more economic stimulus. In fact, the package could be announced later today, totaling as much as $2 trillion. And that seems to be on the high end of expectations from what we were hearing earlier. Overall, stock index futures are performing very well for the news, suggesting that there may be some follow-through gains. In the currency markets, the dollar index firming a little bit. Additional stimulus is putting upward pressure on interest rates, which in turn is friendly for the dollar index. But I don't think this is a long-term trend for the dollar. I think overall that the fundamentals are bearish for the greenback, and ultimately I think we will see some new lows for the move in the dollar index. By the same token, I think the euro currency will probably trade higher, even though it's a little bit lower today, with the German GDP coming in down 5% last year. So the euro is likely to trade higher longer term, and the dollar index, I believe, will trend lower. Moving over to the interest rate futures markets, seeing some pressure at the long end of the curve. The 30-year Treasury bond futures are about a half point lower. We do have Fed Chair Powell speaking at 11:30 Central Time. He may offer some clues as far as what the Fed might be thinking about the economic outlook. Longer term, though, it still looks like the 30-year Treasury bond futures will probably trend lower. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.